Well, good morning. It's Tuesday, the 2nd of July, and as we come in here this morning for the Ag Market Network Morning Update, we're looking at markets that are somewhat mixed but better in agricultural markets. We sold off yesterday in the grains. Today, soybeans and corn are up. Cotton is up nicely today. I think the market's still trying to process what happened this weekend with the trade truce coming back to the table to negotiate between the U.S. and China, with Trump insisting that China buy more agricultural products, agricultural crops. Specifically for us, it's mostly soybeans and cotton. And the market is trying to decide whether it believes that. And there's sort of a mixed feeling there. Cotton seemed to believe it yesterday, and it does today. Grains tried to rally the previous night, couldn't sustain it. There was a general confusion among grain traders, and then it became skepticism, and then it became giving up. But it seems obvious that the grain market traders want to see actual buying take place. We just need to see it happening, just beginning. And until then, there's going to be skepticism. And I'm surprised at this. I thought it would at least close up on the day. It did not. It would close down quite a bit on the day. So that was traders' statement about what they believe with regard to the developments this past weekend. I think that's going to change. I think these numbers are going to start showing up. I think we're going to start seeing the business. China's got to do the business somewhere. They're back at the bargaining table. I don't see the reason they won't start doing business. I think it just takes a few days to start showing up. Let's just look and see where we are. Let me let you know first. Crop progress came out, and just looking at the highlights of it, cotton is 52% good to excellent. That's a little better than the previous week. And everything else seems to be normal on cotton. Soybeans are 54% good to excellent. That's unchanged from the previous week. 92% of the crop is planted. 83% of the crop is emerged. It's behind there. The normal 95%. Corn is unchanged in the good to excellent category at 56%. 94% of the crop is emerged. Normally 100% is emerged. No doubt we're late in corn. Winter wheat is 30% harvested at 30% of the crop is harvested in winter wheat. Normally it's 48%. Spring wheat is unchanged in the good to excellent category at 75%. December cotton right now up 65 at 67.23. High of 67.70, low of 66.35. November soybeans are up a penny. They're trading at 909.5, a high of 913.25, a low of 908.25. December corn unchanged, are up a half, 423, high of 425.75, low of 422.25. We have September wheat down 4.25 at 507.5, a high of 515.75, a low of 505.75. Crude oil is down 14 cents a barrel in August at 58.95, with the dollar down 10. Gold and silver are sort of mixed. Gold up 5, silver down 1. And the Dow Jones Futures Index right now is down 30 with global stock markets. Now, Asia was up, especially the Chinese stock market, the Hang Seng. That's something to look at. You're going to know, you'll probably see a better feel for what's going on in China and what's about to happen, or what they believe about this past weekend, and it's positive as far as that goes. Europe is mixed. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.